Hello everyone. This is English for Beginners. Level A1. Today we learn to talk about looks. Listen to the story. Hi, I'm Emma. I'm 20 years old. I'm a dancer. I can dance really well. It's exciting. I think I'm very pretty. I'm short and slim. I have long brown hair and big brown eyes. I'm so cute. My fans love me. How about you? What do you look like? Did you understand the story? Let's check. Answer the questions. 1. Emma is short or tall. 2. Emma has long hair or short hair. 3. Emma has brown eyes or green eyes. You can check your answers at the end of the video. Now let's practice more. Complete the story. Use the words in red. Pause the video and take your time. Write down your answer. You can check them at the end of the video, too. These words can help you talk about looks. You should learn them. Pretty, cute, short, tall, long hair, short hair, brown eyes, green eyes, blue eyes. I am, I have. Learn these words today. Now it's your turn. Talk about yourself. Use these words. Write your answers in the comments. Press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And here's the correct answers. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.
I like to dance, is my life. I'm short and cute, I have brown eyes.